Hello students, let's start the chapter. We are not afraid to die if we can all be together. Lesson 2, class 11. It's the part 3. We have already read part 1 and part 2. We have read that they are in danger as the water rose to in the wave walker. A big wave hit the wave walker. So that's why they are in danger. The water level was now under control by the morning of January T. So they decided to take rest for 2 hours in rotation. But there still was a leak somewhere below the water line. Upon checking, he observed that wave walker is so badly damaged that it would not take them to Australia. अच्छे से जब चेक किया नरेटर ने तो ये बात क्लियर हो गई कि वेव वॉकर उनकी शिप इतनी बुरी तरह से डैमेज हो चुकी थी कि उस शिप में ऑस्ट्रेलिया तक पहुंचना पॉसिबल नहीं था. The narrator checked the charts and calculated that there were 2 small islands a few kilometers to the east. One of them was island Amsterdam, which was a French scientific base. Now they hoped that they could somehow reach that island, but their hope to reach there is very bleak, as the collision with big wave had made their auxiliary engine out of order. उनका जो प्राइमरी इंजन था वो खराब हो चुका था, तो इसलिए आम्स्टरडम जो कि कुछ 100 किलोमीटर दूर था आइलैंड, वहां तक पहुंचना भी उन्हें बहुत मुश्किल लग रहा था. After 36 hours of continuous pumping, on January 4, the water was only a few centimeters left to be pumped out. But they still had to pump out the water which was coming in. Mary, his wife, arranged some corned beef and cracker biscuits, and they had their first meal in 2 days. But their relief period was short-lived only. At around 4 p.m., black clouds started building up. The wind was now 40 knots and the sea was getting higher. Weather got very bad throughout the night. मौसम फिर से बहुत खराब हो गया. सीज जो थे वो बहुत ज्यादा हाई हो रहे थे, वेव्स बहुत ऊंची ऊंची हो रही थी. Now the narrator went to comfort his children that very soon they would come out of the situation and reach the island nearby. His son, John, very bravely told him that they were not afraid to die till they all were together. This filled the narrator with a determination to fight back. He made hard efforts to protect the weakened starboard side of the boat. This is the end of the part 3. In next video, we shall complete this chapter. Till then, keep learning. Thank you.